Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my favorite dry prawn sukka recipe. The main ingredients are coconut and dry prawns. Yes, that sounds so like Karavali area. This is easy to make, tastes delicious, and the ingredients for this recipe are as follows. You can pause the video and make a note of it because that would be easier for you. I've grated half coconut here, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 onions, 1 tomato, 1.5 sprig of curry leaf, and then 1 cup of prawns. Chop the onions and tomato, dice it really small. I normally prefer it small. You can keep it larger if you like it. In order to wash the prawns, I would request you to soak it in water for 5 minutes and then change water twice at least. The reason being, these fishes or the prawns are dried in sun close to soil. Sand particles accumulate in it. You might want to discard those and do not want to consume it. Heat the pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the washed prawns. You would roast it until it becomes really dry. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the roasting bit. Once it's roasted really well, go ahead and shift it to a plate for later use. Take the pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil again. Add chopped onions. You would saute these onions until it becomes a little dry. Approximately it would take 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it. Once you mix it, add the chili powder. You can increase the chili powder if you want to. Then add the tomatoes. Mix all the ingredients and cook it for approximately 2 minutes until it's slightly dry, because we would have to add the grated coconut now. If you're taking a larger pan, then it will be easy for you to mix. But if you're taking a pan my size, you might want to go ahead and mix it really slow. Now once it's mixed, add enough quantity of water. I normally use water just to cover the ingredients. Right, now we let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until its boiling point. And now add salt as per your taste. Mix it and pressure cook it for roughly 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes should be fine. Then add the roasted prawns that was patiently waiting for it to be added. Mix it well and pressure cook it again for 5 minutes. If you want to use this as a curry, you can keep the water consistency a little higher. But if you want to taste it with dosa, chapati or idli, you might want to keep it a little watery like mine. Or if you want to add it, you can add it as a stuffing for rice balls. It'll taste amazing. So it's cooked now. This is the consistency that I want because I'm going to add it, or rather taste it along with rice. Let me add it to the serving bowl and garnish with the curry leaf. At this point, it is smelling amazing. I've also tasted 1 spoon, which I have not showed it in the video. It tastes amazing. I hope you like it just like I do. Please let me know in the comment below if you have tried it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Spread the word with all your friends. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Have a good day.